Some good news for the doctors. Earlier today, the Kenyan Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board signed a CBA with the Ministry of Health, and in the back and forth that followed the Medic's 100-day strike, the doctors say the government has granted them the allowances they were seeking when they proceeded on strike and are hopeful that the county governments will also put pen to paper. The CBA that will see the doctors achieve a pay rise alongside other benefits. The doctors had entered an agreement with the national government and the Council of Governors in March, which brought a historic strike to an end in anticipation for better pay and job promotions. KMPDU will be signing recognition agreements with county governments next week.
So the chiefs are the ones. Then the chiefs will get all of them. Because they know the village.
But this is for NHIF.
Both NHIF and social, what do we call it? That social protection thing.
Okay.
So